big bubble. So let's see what we can do here to, oh, there it goes. Now it's really rolling now. All right, so we're gonna replace this whole piece here. I got all new stuff. And we're gonna seal it up right with the right parts. So here we go. All right, so we got the pipe dope on there. I'll go ahead and get it on the nipple here. And then we'll get it all put together. You don't want to like over tighten them because they do go, but this flare could bend if you do. You want to get it snug, but not over tighten. So that should be good. All right, let's go. Let's do the pressure test again, and I think we're going to be good. Just clean this up a little bit. Alright, so we got the new connections on there, properly made. As you can see, the proper connectors, all doped properly, connected right. It's off right now, so what we're going to do is put the pressure test on, and then we'll come check and spray that down, make sure it doesn't drop. It don't drop. Which it definitely shouldn't. Then we can call the gas company and be done. Alright, so we put pressure back on the line, 0.5 psi. As you see, so far it's sitting, holding. You always want to test your union to make sure that it's not leaking itself, that it's tight enough, because that's where your opening is going to be. And it's holding so far, that's a good sign. Now let's go check the, spray it up there, we'll turn that on and all that, and we'll see. Spray test. Here we go. Okay, so we spray down our work. Looking for any more bubbles. Remember we seen it when that original way they had did that wrong, they had to put bubbles. But now I don't see anything. And the pressure test is going to confirm that for us in just a minute. Looks good. We would see something by now. How about over here? Anything? I don't see nothing. All looks good. Let's go check the meter. If it's not dropping, then we have solved the problem. Okay, back to the meter after we open the oven valve up, and look at that, not dropping. It's holding. We're gonna now what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the test that the gas company would do. Set it for 5. Well, they do 3 minutes. I'll do 5. So let's get our little counter on. We'll set it for 5 minutes just to be sure. Okay, there we are. So we got 5 minutes set. Boom. Right there. And if that meter don't drop, we are good to go, and they can call the gas company. So far, it's holding perfectly, not moving a bit. So I'm pretty sure we have solved the issue. We'll we'll check back in a minute. 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna line that up right on the counter. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That was the whole 5 minutes. Let's check it again. Look at that, still right on 0.5. It does pass. We are good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and let the air out down here. Start letting it drop. There, down here. There it goes. Put it out, nice and easy. Okay, there we are. We are good to go. I'm going to put this cap back on and let him call the gas company. All right, so we go ahead and cap that back off, put the dope back on, and we're good to go. Now we're ready to call the gas company.